been a minute. It's been a while since I sat down and did a video. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Njeri Kabiru. Yes, Njeri wa Kabiru. I know I've been having new followers. Karibuni sana. And I'm sorry that I haven't been here. It's been a minute. So, just a few setbacks. My tripod broke. My phone just failed. And the only thing that broke on that phone was the camera. And then it's been just that season that, the brain was not there, but we are back here. If you're new here, I do content around DIY, life hacks, and everything else. Also, I'll be sleeping in DIY content around teenage motherhood, because that's something that I've come out to tell people that I was a teenage mother, yo. And my daughter is 13. Yeah, don't ask me how old I am. So anyway, I am here to just tell you, for those who are new, thank you, welcome. I'll be dropping videos every Friday morning hours. I'm already doing something. I'm making some tire stools, tire tables, and I can't wait to show you every detail. So if you're new, just say hi on the comment section down below. If you've always been here, just say hi again. I feel like saying Happy New Year. And tell me what you want me to do. I know there's a content I had started developing to do with exclusive offers, and that one, it has its own now channel. You can go and check out exclusive offer Kenya. That will be there, but here I will remain with the content, all the content to do with DIY, life hacks, anything to do with self-growth, self-development, and I can't wait to hear from you. So the last time I did bottles. By the way, I have these amazing bottles that I'm doing for Christmas. They'll be candle holders. I mean, you can place on a candle on these, and create memories. I have tire tables, tire stools, and other pieces coming up. But I'm curious, what would you want to see, like on this channel? What DIY or what content would you like me to put out? I don't mind sitting down and creating that for you. So I think that's it. It's on Sunday, just afternoon after church. I'm just sitting here and I thought, let me just click that button and say hi. So I can't wait to hear more from you, and I hope that we are going to grow together and see what the future holds for both of us, me and you guys. So until the next video, which will be on Friday, I'm gonna say bye-bye and have a blessed week ahead. Remember, never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Stay safe. Bye.